Screen recording for my software test plan. So on the first page I have the table of contents that just displays everything that's in this test. But the introduction just informing the users about what the product is, what that we're going to be testing. Then I go on to the objectives and tasks. So the overall goal and achievement of the testing is to find as many software defects as possible. The game must be free of bugs before it is released to ensure that it's fit for purpose. And then just some objectives. So there will be daily meetings on Zoom with all the team members held between 1 and 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. And just some main objectives. So to ensure that the game confirms the functional and non-functional requirements. Then just have a list here of the team members, and also the project is using an agile approach with weekly iterations. At the end of each week, the requirements identified for that iteration will be delivered to a team and will be tested. So then I have a list of the tasks. Then I've got the scope, and obviously the scope of the test plan is to ensure that all requirements are met and developed to a high standard. And then some general, these are all the components that we'll be testing. Some information about the tactics, the testing strategy, and then a list of all of the different types of tests that we'll be doing. So unit testing, system and integration testing. He'll be carrying out the tasks as well. The test schedule, of course, as well. A list of all of the same. There's a list at the top of the document as well with all of the people involved, and I've just reiterated that down here. In each of these sections, we have the participants. The controlled procedure, so problem reporting, just to make sure it's important that any issues that or defects that we run into, to make sure that we keep note of them. It's extremely important for traceability. All change requests must be brought to the attention of the project manager, who is me. And some features to be honest, I'm not too sure what to put in here for features not to be tested. I know a few of the people, or my classmates, were saying that, giving these as an example for features not to be tested. And then just some resource tools that we'll be using to test the game. Risks, and lastly references.